Alright, so we're going to be cleaning this performance air filter. Alright, so let's lose first. And we got some oil here, or maybe gasoline or water. I don't know what it is. Like, looks like a kind of like oil and gas. Okay. Alright, let's clean them up. A little bit here. It's pretty decent, it's not bad. It's normal, it looks like new really. Okay, so this has a top side here and looks like the marking, somebody marked it here with a part number or something, 2060105. I gotta check on that. Okay, so this goes into the carburetor, but I'm not sure if it, mirrors, but there is a little hole here. You see that right in the middle, and this goes like that. Okay, I'm just going to put it exactly the way they have it, because I'm not very familiar with this filter. There's a little hole here. It might be a breather or something. So you know what? I'm going to just put it exactly how they have it. Okay, so the letters going on the inside. And this is the filter right here. And this is the very interesting and cool cover. Must be an S&S, but I'm not sure really. If any of you knows what kind of cover this is, who makes that, put it in the comments. There is a marking here. Okay, Performance Machine USA. Probably the name of the company is Performance Machine. Alright. Okay, so just leave it here. And let's go wash it with warm water and let it dry in the sun. Don't put any pressure on these things. I don't like it. Okay. Okay, make sure the water is warm, not hot, and not too much pressure. Right there. And just put a little bit this soap on it. If you use something like that, just go like once, two, one direction, light, just a little bit. Okay, give it another soap. Alright, little more. Okay. Okay, we're gonna leave it 10 minutes and be back. Alexa, 10 minutes. All right. Alexa, stop timer. Okay, make sure the water is warm, not hot. Low pressure. All right, and wash it from here and out. Don't go the other way or the particles are gonna just, go in. Okay. This filter is pretty clean really, but if you see any particles of dirt, just keep going till you see clear water. Okay, don't blow any air inside. We're just gonna leave it on a clean spot, to dry in a dry spot like this. Okay, and let it dry in the sun at least 4 or 5 hours. There is Harley, and there is Crayon trying to catch up Harley. Stop it. What did I say? All right, so I took the filter out of the sun after 2-3 hours, and let's measure the humidity. It's nothing. Okay, nothing. Let's see the other side. Nothing. Let's see the difference. This is our dog ball. As you can see, Crayon, your ball. Oh, come on, you see, it's very high. All right, you should get one of these guys. It's very useful for everything. And I also measure the humidity in the brake fluid, if you look the other episode. Okay, so now we're gonna be this is the black one, I think, and they have also the red one. That the red one you actually oil it, but the black one you don't oil it. But I'm gonna spray a little bit cayenne, this oil, just a little bit, because it holds dust. And I used to do this with our Rotax engine on the light aircraft when we used to fly, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of light coat, not full like a red filter, just a little bit, just to hold the dust. It's just my opinion, but you should check your filter manual and your bike manual. Make sure it recommends maybe something else, but this is what I do. All right, so just a light coat from far away, and that's it. You don't need much more. Let's let it dry a little bit, put it back on the bike. This doesn't have a seam, so I'm going to put it on a low part of the filter right here. Then we're going to be putting this with the letters, probably the part number. Okay, that stays like that. Let me put this on low. I'm just going to hold it for now. Just hand tight. And I'm missing one bolt right here. I'm gonna look for it now. Voila. So if you watch the previous episodes, you can see we have done a complete service on this Street Glide. Okay, except the oils. I have the mechanic put the oils because I didn't have time from work, but it's not really a big deal to change the 3 holes. I haven't changed I only changed the oil on the engine and not on the primary and on the gear reduction, because it looks like it's like new. All right, so next time I'm going to do 3 holes oil on this, but I have done the ABS oil fluid. I have replaced. If you look at the other videos, I put a stereo system with a display CarPlay from my iPhone. I can watch the GPS, play the music. I have put an amplifier on the front, so we have decent music on the speakers. And as you can see, we keep working on it. I have cleaned up everything. It's on top of condition. So plus I enjoy it. This is my fun. This is my relaxing time when I do this. I'm not really working, you know. I'm like, this is like my therapy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, more to come.